Hey friends, how are you all? I wanted to come to you live today because we have an amazing sale happening with Color Street cheek products. And I just wanted to pop in here and give you a little bit of a demo and talk about these cheek products. Here is your opportunity because they're currently on a buy one, get one free deal until the end of this month. So what you need to know about these is they're all plant-based ingredients. And what that means for you is it's gluten-free, it's paraben-free, it's sulfite-free. What you want to do with, a lot of people don't feel confident in their use of bronzers or highlighters. I think we all know how to use a blush, but bronzers are really great because you can use it to add a little bit of color, but also some contour. And that's where the building aspect of Color Street products is so important. So when I'm looking at my cheekbone, I just want to put a little deeper color right underneath my cheekbone. Okay, so I can bring it up just a tad into my hairline. And what I'm trying to do is just make my cheekbone look a little more apparent because as we age, I have a 60-year-old face, guys. So as we age, our cheeks lose their fullness. And so we have to trick the eye, if you will, and add the contour, add the shading to get the same look that we had, 20 years ago or what have you. I also like to use my bronzer just to add a little bit of color along my nose. So I want to contour my nose here. Hey ladies, how are you? So contour my nose a little bit here to just give it a little bit finer look. Okay, so just going along the sides because my nose is a little bit wide here, so I like to disguise it. And just a little bit on the tip. So whatever features on your face that you have that you want to either highlight or disguise, bronzer is the way to do it. It's so good. So again, I'm using Posh. Posh is the color that I'm using right now. Okay, with my angled brush. Super easy. All right, let's move on to highlighter. Okay, so highlighter, you don't need very much. So that's the key. So what I'm gonna do is go right along the top of my cheekbone, okay? So all I wanna do is just make my cheekbones rise up a tad. So I'm just gonna put them right on top there. And the other thing I like to do is just bring it right down the bridge of my nose and on the cupid of my lip. All that does is it makes things shine. It makes those areas stand out. So again, if I want to add volume to my cheeks, it's good to have that highlighter right on top of your cheekbones. Okay, let's move to blush. The easiest thing, I think we all use blush, right? Just put on a little blush, a little lip gloss, maybe some mascara, and you're good to go. So the blush is always great to have, and I like to have a couple different colors, one for summer, one for winter. Go for the apples of your cheeks, but go just slightly above if you're older, anyway. Because we're trying to raise and add volume to our cheekbones. So that's what our blush does. Really, really simple. Okay, that's where I would stop. I'm just gonna build one more layer on here so y'all can see it. How it builds more color. And again, if you end up getting a little too much blush on, use your little sponge. And this is just tinted moisturizer that I have on this sponge. This is how I apply my tinted moisturizer. So that's the color of the sponge. And I just replace that once a month or so. The deal is buy one, get one free. Okay, so buy a blush, get a blush free. Buy a blush, get a highlighter for free. Buy a bronzer, get a highlighter for free. However you want to roll with it, it is just the powders, not the balms, that are buy one, get one free. So now I just wanted to come live and give you guys an opportunity to know about this deal so you can finally try some of these amazing cheek products for yourself. I hope you love them as much as I do. Thanks, guys.